It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 21, 22 Upper Deck credentials. 6 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. We elect hard sign debut, ticket, access, autograph, rookie sets. You are not guaranteed an auto in this product. This cost about $140 US. And I believe on Cardboard Heroes, if you haven't been there, go there. It's all the breakers that show all the screenshots of odds and previews of the cards. That's usually where they grab them from. So it's a really cool source of information. And they say you should get an auto or an acetate card. Wasn't a super huge fan of credentials in the past, but we'll see what this box brings us. We've got Connor McDavid on the pack and on the box. Let's just get right into it. This is going to be your base card. We've got a Mitch Marner to start off. Do like the foil. It looks really nice. Base cards look better than I remember the last seasons. There's Pasta. And there's a gold Anze Kopitar, numbered to 149. It's really nice looking. There's a rookie arrival, Garrett Pilon. It's Carter Hart and Braden Point. So we're hoping we pull an auto. Obviously, these are cool. I do not believe there's any memorabilia in this set. Evgeni Kuznetsov. We've got Adam Fox. We've got a debut ticket access of Wade Allison, and that is numbered to $7.99. Really foily. First star of Lucas Raymond. Brad Marchand and Artemi Panarin. What do you guys think of this year's artifacts? I know I'm not the first one out with breaks. From what you've seen, do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments. We've got Dylan Larkin, Mark Stone, and we've got a Anton Lundell View from the Glass rookie. So that's an acetate card, so that leads me to believe we will not get an auto. But I don't fully know. Vasily Podkolzin, rookie arrival, Matt Barzal, and Max Pacioretty. Jack Hughes, Quinn Hughes. We got a Speed of the Game, PLD. That looks really cool. Whoops. As we drop it. There goes my PSA 10 Speed of the Game. There's the credentials. First star, Taylor Hall. Matt Tkachuk and Petey Pete. Roman Josi, Philip Grubauer, debut ticket access of Alexander Holtz, numbered to just $2.49. Looks like a yellow or a gold. Really cool colors on that. Rookie arrival of Jeremy Swayman, Tyler Toffoli, and Cale Makar. Got a Brady Tkachuk, Nick Suzuki, and a ticket access credential of Tyler Benson to $9.99. Brent Burns, second star of the night. Sid the Adult, and Dr. Dre. Ryan Getzlaff, Tim Stutzla. Rest in peace. Numbered to just 49. Unfortunately, he is no longer with us. Rookie arrival of Lane Peterson, Austin Matthews, and Stammer. Final pack. Alexander Barkov, Rasmus Dahlin. Credentials epic. Haddock Moments. Jordan Eberle scoring the first hat trick in Kraken history. That's a cool thing to memorialize in a card. Tyler Bertuzzi, third star of the night. Natty Mac and Ryan O'Reilly. There you have it. That is 21-22 Upper Deck Credentials Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.